Hi, I'm Drew, and I'm the Content Marketing Manager here at Fictiv, and I'll be hosting this month's Hardware Roundup. Let's start off with some food for manufacturing thought. We looked at GP Bullhound's latest report to find out how automation has been integrated onto the factory floor. Which industries are closest to end-to-end automation? How are smaller OEMs integrating smart automation technologies? Stay tuned to find out. First up is industry news. The Formula E all-electric racing circuit is helping to test features that will someday be available on all consumer electric cars. Automakers competing in Formula E racing use what they learn on the asphalt to make their consumer cars faster, smarter, and more efficient. Apple is closing in on a $1 billion deal to buy Intel's smartphone modem business. Acquiring Intel's portfolio and staff experience will help Apple speed up development on their own in-house modems. In hardware news, we're looking at manufacturing automation, brain electrodes, and prosthetic arms. Neuralink has announced a new way of embedding electrodes in the brain using tiny insulated threads. And no, I'm not talking about Electrode the Pokémon. They're in the early stages of developing a brain interface that would allow people to control phones and computers. Tesla is focusing on greater automation for their Model Y manufacturing process. A giant aluminum casting machine would produce the Model Y frame in almost a single piece. Researchers at the University of Utah have created prosthetics capable of sensation. These prosthetics would allow people to perform more complex movements, like picking grapes or moving fragile objects. Back to our manufacturing food for thought questions. The electronics and automotive industries are currently closest to having end-to-end automation processes in place. Smaller OEMs are using more compact and flexible pieces of robotic equipment that can benefit from smart automation technology. And to finish off, here's a look at the Planetary Society's solar sail. And that's it for this month. Share and subscribe below and continue to spread the hardware knowledge.